Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ways to Learn English. I'm Alex, and we're really happy you're here today.
Hi everyone, I'm Lena, and I'm learning English with you.
This podcast is for people who want to improve their English by listening to calm, natural conversations.
No pressure, no stress, just real English you can enjoy.
And today's topic is very practical. We're talking about how to keep a conversation going,
Because starting a conversation is one thing.
but continuing it is the hard part.
Exactly. Sometimes I can say hi and how are you? But after that,
Your brain goes quiet.
yes. Silence. And it feels awkward.
If you've ever felt that, you're not alone. Today we'll give you simple tools that help you continue naturally, without sounding forced.
Tools that work with friends, coworkers, neighbors, even strangers.
And we'll practice through small role plays so you can hear how it sounds in real life. Let's start with the most important idea. Conversations continue when you show interest.
Not once you have perfect grammar.
Exactly. Interest is more powerful than perfect English.
So how do we show interest?
With three things: reaction, follow-up,
Okay.
and share a little.
Reaction. Follow-up. Share a little.
Yes, that pattern works almost everywhere.
Let's start with reactions. Those are short, right?
Yes, they're simple, but they make you sound natural and present. Here are some common reaction phrases. Oh, really? No way. That's nice. That's great. That's tough. I see. Got it. Wow.
They're like little bridges.
Exactly. And they buy you time.
That helps a lot.
Let's practice a few slowly. Say them out loud if you can. Oh, really?
Oh, really?
That's great.
That's great.
That's tough.
That's tough.
I see.
I see.
Perfect.
Now the follow-up questions.
Yes. Follow-up questions are the secret to conversation.
Because they keep it moving.
Exactly. Here's an easy formula. React plus ask.
So if someone says something, I react. Then I ask.
Yes. For example, if someone says, "I'm tired today," you could say, "Oh no, long day?"
That feels natural.
Let's build a quick list of safe follow-up questions. How come? Why? What happened? How was it? How did it go? What was it like? Are you enjoying it? Do you like it so far?
I like how come. It's casual.
Yes. How come means why, but it feels softer and more conversational. Let's do a short role play. Imagine we're coworkers at work.
Okay.
Listen for the pattern: reaction, follow-up, share a little. Hey Lena, how's it going?
Pretty good, just busy today.
Oh really? What's making it busy?
I have a meeting later, and I'm trying to finish a report before lunch.
Ah, I see. That sounds like a lot. Are you almost done?
Kind of. I'm close, but I still need to check a few things.
Got it. I know that feeling. I had a deadline yesterday, and it was stressful.
Oh no. Did it go okay?
Yeah, it went fine in the end. I was relieved when I finished.
That's great. So, do you feel more relaxed today?
Honestly, yes. I feel lighter today.
Nice. I hope I feel like that later too.
You will. By the way, do you have any plans after work?
Not really. I'll probably just go home and rest.
That sounds perfect. Notice why that conversation continued.
Because we kept asking small questions.
Yes. And the questions were simple.
And we shared a little too.
Exactly. If you only ask questions, it can feel like an interview.
So we need balance.
Yes. Ask a little. Share a little.
Sometimes I don't know what to share.
That's normal. You don't need deep personal information. Share something light like, yeah, I've been busy too, or I'm looking forward to the weekend, or even, I've been drinking too much coffee lately.
Those are relatable.
Exactly. Relatable is what makes conversation feel easy.
What if my brain goes blank?
Then use the echo technique.
What is it?
Repeat one or two key words they said, and then ask a simple question. For example, if someone says, I'm going to a wedding this weekend, you can say, a wedding? Oh, nice. Whose wedding is it?
That's so helpful. Because repeating gives time.
Exactly. And it shows you're listening. Let's do another role play, this time with a neighbor.
Okay.
Imagine you see your neighbor in the hallway or outside. Hey, how's it going?
Hi. It's going well. How about you?
Pretty good. I'm just heading out. Actually, I'm going to the store.
Oh, the store. Are you buying anything special?
Just the usual. Milk, bread, and maybe something sweet.
Nice. I've been craving something sweet too lately.
Oh, really? Like what?
Honestly, chocolate. I don't know why, but I want chocolate every day.
That's funny. Same. Maybe we're just tired.
Yeah, maybe. By the way, how's your week been?
Busy, but okay. Work has been a lot.
Work has been a lot. How come?
New project, lots of meetings. You know how it is.
I see. Well, I hope it calms down soon.
Thanks. That's kind. All right, I should go, but it was nice talking.
You too. Have a good one.
You too.
Sometimes the conversation slows down, and I don't know how to lift it again.
Yes. That's where conversation lifters help. Here are a few. By the way. Oh, that reminds me. Speaking of that. Anyway.
They change directions smoothly.
Exactly. They give you a new path. For example, if someone says, yeah, work is busy, you could say, yeah, I get it. By the way, did you watch anything good lately?
That's a new topic, but it still feels connected.
Yes. Let's do a one-sentence challenge today.
Okay.
Repeat this sentence. I've been meaning to ask you something.
I've been meaning to ask you something.
This sentence is powerful because it starts a conversation naturally.
And it sounds friendly, not serious.
Exactly.
Sometimes I don't understand what the person says, and I panic.
Yes. So let's make it calm. Here are natural phrases you can use. Sorry, can you say that again? Could you say that a bit slower? I didn't catch that. What do you mean?
I didn't catch that. Sounds very natural.
Yes. And it's polite.
And it keeps the conversation alive instead of ending it.
Exactly. Let's do one more role play. A short one with a stranger. You're waiting in line at a cafe. Wow, this line is long today.
Yeah, seriously. I didn't expect it to be this busy.
Same. Do you come here often?
Sometimes. Their coffee is really good.
Oh, nice. What do you usually order?
Usually a latte. What about you?
I'm more of an iced coffee person, even when it's cold.
Really? Even in winter?
Yeah, I don't know why. I just like it.
That's funny. I could never.
Fair enough. By the way, are you working today or is it your day off?
It's my day off. I'm just trying to relax.
That sounds perfect.
Today's episode makes me feel better
Why?
because I realize I don't need big vocabulary to keep a conversation going.
Exactly. You just need small tools, reactions, follow-up questions, conversation lifters, and sharing a little.
And asking for clarification when needed.
Yes, that's real communication. And that brings us to the end of today's episode.
Thank you for listening and practicing with us.
Try one small thing this week. React and ask one follow-up question.
Small steps create real confidence.
And if you're enjoying the podcast, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode, and feel free to listen to our earlier episodes too.